Hey everybody, welcome back to the American Survival Homestead. I'd like to thank you for joining me today, and today I'm going to be working on my driveway. I made a video on me cutting these logs up with a chainsaw, so if you haven't yet watched that, go back and check that out. Basically you can use that method for sawing boards or beams or just ripping logs in half, so check that out. But today we're going to be redoing the driveway. I'm going to put these in across this runoff that flows underneath our driveway, keeps flooding out and washing out. I took the low spot, which is, where's that? All in through there. I built it up with some rock, a little bigger rock. So the plan is to dig this center up all the way across, and I'll take the gravel from it and backfill over all this here. I'm going to dig this culvert up, and I'm going to lay these boards right here. I'm going to lay them in longwise all the way across. I'm going to try to leave this edge board here and then butt up to it with the first big chunk, and we'll see how this goes. I'm just going to take that piping out completely and let the water just free flow. It'll have about 4 times the volume opening that section up all the way across, as opposed to just that pipe. So it'll have that whole section open. Hopefully that'll allow the water to flow good and free and not back up and cause any more flooding issues of washing out the driveway. So I'm going to start by pulling all this stuff up, and I'm going to backfill some of this gravel. It's washed up and built up and back into this side and try to smooth this all back out with these wooden planks, wooden beams going across. So stay tuned and see if we can show a little progress. I'm going to have to start by digging all this up first. I've got these all pre-cut, ready to go. I tapered each of the ends. That way when you drive up over it, you don't have such a sharp edge on it that your tire has to roll up over. And then I'll just backfill the rock up to the edge of the beams. So stay tuned, and we'll get to digging this up. got it dug down pretty good. Basically, we're gonna leave a shelf on each side, and you can see these stones right in through there. I'm going to make sure these logs, when they sit down, they're sitting on top of the stone, packed into the ground. And it's kind of hard to see how deep it is, but I don't know, about 2 feet deep, I guess. But it's a start. We got the culvert out. We got a lot of the rock dug out, and that's that stone here. And right in through there is where I had piled all that rock earlier. So a lot of this I shoveled back up in through there and smoothed it out, brought it up, so it widened the entrance or the exit coming off of the bridge here. Okay, we're back. We took and dug this down. It had a nice wide channel. Let's see if I can get it from this side, show you up there. So it's going to have pretty good clearance. It's about a foot clearance by about 2.5 foot wide. And you can see how I dug down and then made a platform for the logs to rest on, and same on this side for the logs to rest on. Layered stone, so the ends would be sitting on all the stone stacked up on each side with a big wide channel. Well, stay tuned, and looks like it's about time to start laying some of these logs in here. Well, this is what I come up with, or what we come up with. I've had some help today. Basically, we dug them down, and that one right there, I gotta adjust it a little bit more before I permanently pack around it. But anyways, that's quite a bit better. But this is just showing you before I start to backfill, but you can see water running. This is just an extra bracing on the side. But anyways, this is before it's backfilled. And as you can see, the end is widened a whole lot more like I wanted. I angled it off up that way, so it's not such a sharp turn when you come in. Trying to back up here, but now you can see. Well folks, here it is. What we've all been waiting for. This is the finished product. We got the end of the driveway widened, and we got the center of the ditch all dug up and pipe removed. It's all open flowing underneath. These boards here I cut freehand with the chainsaw. If you're not sure how I go about doing that, then check out my last video. I show you how to cut beams, and you can use the same method for cutting boards. But anyways, these planks going across help the logs from being teeter-tottery when you go across it, so it strengthened it up. These are also white oak. So that's it. That's the finished product. And I banked the stone up to give it a good directional flow of water once it gets going. See the water flowing underneath. Let's get a view of it this way. It's not perfect, but there you have it. There's the finished product. I might have to adjust one side or the other just a little bit. I'll have to drive over it quite a few times and see how it packs down. I might have to try to re-level it, but with 6 days of rain coming, we'll see if it works good. It's supposed to start tonight, so I'll keep you informed and let you know how it works out. I'd like to thank you for joining me. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, y'all take care, be safe, and God bless. Thanks for watching.